Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. We will continue the chapter Globalization and the Indian Economy. In our previous video, we have discussed topics like the international production across the countries, foreign trade and integration of markets, what is globalization, and factors that have enabled globalization process. Today we will discuss the impact of globalization. Globalization and greater competition among the producers, both local and foreign producers, has been of advantage to consumers. The impact of globalization has not been uniform among producers and workers. Globalization enables some large Indian companies to emerge as multinationals, and it has created opportunity for companies providing the services in information technology. Big producers can join hand with MNCs and getting the profit. MNCs get flexibility in labor laws so that they hire the workers on temporary basis. MNCs produce mostly for the rich so that the rich buyers get choices in the market. World Trade Organization. The aim of WTO is to liberalize the international trade. It makes rules regarding the international trade and checks that these rules are followed. It has started at the initiative of the developed countries. It has 164 members and its headquarters at Geneva. It was set up in 1995. WTO says that there should be no trade barriers. But in practice, it can be seen that developing countries follow these rules, whereas the developed countries have not been liberalized their trade policies. Role of government in fair globalization. The struggle for a fair globalization. Government's policy must protect the interests not only of the rich and powerful but also all the people in the country. Labor laws should be implemented properly and workers should get equal rights. It can support small producers to improve their performance. Government can use trade barriers if required. And also it can negotiate at the WTO for fairer rules. Government can campaign and protest regarding the unfair rules. At last, we will conclude that globalization had increased the trade of products and technologies. MNCs plays a major role in stimulating the process of globalization. Globalization has enabled some large Indian companies to emerge as multinational, and fair globalization would create better opportunities and share for all. I hope this chapter will help you to understand the role of globalization and its impact on Indian economy. Thank you.